Apple has published the out-of-warranty repair costs for the iPhone 17 models and iPhone Air. Battery replacement costs $99 for the iPhone 17 and $109 for the iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max, and iPhone Air. Screen repairs cost $329 for the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone Air, and $379 for the Pro Max. Replacing the glass back cover costs $159 for all models, with screen and back glass repair bundles at $409 for most and $469 for the Pro Max. Rear camera replacement is $169 for the iPhone 17 and Air, and $240 for Pro and Pro Max models. Other damages can cost between $599 and $799, depending on the model. These prices are for users without AppleCare, which offers reduced fees. For more updates, like, share, and subscribe to the Tech Voyager YouTube channel.